Okay, who can tell me what vertex form is of a quadratic function? Somebody. You can find it in your book. You can find it in your packet. Y equals?
A parentheses x minus h. Parentheses 2 plus k.
Squared?
Oh, I mean squared, yeah.
Plus
Squared
k.
plus k.
Perfect. Y equals A parentheses x minus h squared plus k. So when we were looking at our problems, we needed to identify what are some things that this tells me?
The vertex.
Vertex. What else? Axis of symmetry. What else? Domain and range. And maximum or minimum value, right? Okay, so let's look at an example. What equation would you like to look at? 29. What is 29?
fx
F of x
equals parentheses x minus 1 parentheses squared plus 2.
Okay, this is number 29 from your assignment. F of x equals x minus 1 squared plus 2. So remember, when we identify the vertex, it's going to be h and k. So what is the value for h? If we look at our constraints, a, h, and k, what is a? If this is empty, what times any number is going to keep the number the same? 1. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be 1. Does that mean it's going to open up or open down? Up. We know our parabola is going to open up because it's positive. Okay, so what is the vertex?
1, 2.
1, 2. Remember, because of the form where we have x minus h, this has to change the sign in order to find h. Okay. What about the axis of symmetry? Remember, if I were to look at this as a graph, and we decided that the vertex is x is 1, y is 2, so it's going to be right here. We know it's opening up, so it's going to look like this. Where is the axis of symmetry? X is 1. Remember to write it as x equals 1. Now, when I look at this, do I have a maximum or a minimum value? Minimum, because I have a bottom to the parabola. So what is the minimum value? And this is where I'm looking at y. The minimum value is 2. What do I know about the domain? Remember, domain is how far can it go in the direction of x. X can go how far to the right? Infinitely. How far can it go to the left? Infinitely. Because as this continues to go up, it's going to continue to get wider. Okay? All real numbers. What about the range, which would be your values for y? All real numbers greater than 2. Perfect. Greater than or greater than or equal to 2. You could also write this as y is greater than or equal to 2, because that's the value for your y. Yes, Jacob.
It only said that you had to find the axis of symmetry.
Yeah, that's all your question said. I just wanted to do a completely complete review with it. Yes. On this question, all you had to do was find the axis of symmetry. Yes.
Just have to graph it too. Is that the graph up there?
Yes, that would be your graph. In this case, I put the graph on there, but we didn't find actual points for that. Would you like to do that?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay,